Hello everyone. This is the revision video of your PT4 exams. Okay, so I will cover all the chapter one by one. So you have to go through it this video thoroughly. Okay, if you are having any doubts and query, you can just ask me through the comment box. Okay. So first of all, you should know all the basic terms of geometry in which I have prepared some points. Point, line segment, line and ray. First of all, point. Point has no length and width, it tells the exact location. What is point? Right? What is point? Point is represented by dot and it has no length, width, height. Okay. Point has nothing. Means this is simple dot. It can be denoted by it. Yes, it can be denoted by capital letter. Capital letter. ठीक है, generally we denote dot by capital letter. And the next one is line segment. A part of line is called line segment. Line segment. What is line segment? As I already explained about line segment, what is line segment? Line segment is the part of line. ठीक है, this is what part of a line. ठीक है, line segment is a part of line. Suppose that this is your line, and this part of line is known as line segment. Here we can denote this line segment by AB, or suppose that this is of 2 centimeter, so here we can say AB. This is your line segment. AB is equals to 2 centimeter. This is your line segment, right? Okay. And second one is line. Two points can be joined to make a line. You can put any 2 points, and if you join them, then you will get a line. Next one is line. What is line? Line is if we joined any 2 points in this way, then this is known as line, and this extends endlessly. Okay. So suppose that this is your PQ and it is denoted as PQ. In this way we can denote a line. And next one is ray. Starting from an end point, it is a line that extends only in one direction. What is ray? Ray आपकी 1 point से start होती है and it extends only in one direction and the other end is unknown in case of ray. ठीक है, as I already given the example of rays. First one is sun and the next one is torch. Okay, these are the examples of ray. Ray is a straight path that has one endpoint and goes on and on in one direction. See, this is your ray, right? One endpoint, it is known, and other point is unknown, right? So here we can say if AB is ray, then it is denoted by AB like this. Some important points of geometry that you should keep in your mind. First one, a square is also known as quadrilateral. Achha, what is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral in which any figure in which 4 sides are there, any closed figure. Okay, if we talk about any closed figure in which 4 sides are there, then we can say the figure is quadrilateral. And the second one is, so square is also is having 4 sides है ना, तो we can say square is also quadrilateral. Second one, triangle is polygon. What is polygon? Polygon in which a closed figure in which number of lines has been joined to form a any shape. Okay, so this is known as polygon. So triangle is also polygon. And the next one is a circle has a fixed radius and center. If you have seen a circle, then you can notice कि center is the fixed point of a circle है ना, you cannot relocate center of the circle. So this is the fixed point and it is the middle point of the circle. And the radius is also fixed because if you measure any radius from any circle, if suppose that you have drawn circle of 2 centimeter radius, so you can measure from any circumference to the center, you will get only 2 centimeter. Okay, so these two things are fixed in a circle, radius and center. And the next one is diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Achha, first of all you should know what is the chord, chord of a circle. Chord means the distance from one circumference to another circumference, and this is known as what, chord. And what is the meaning of this sentence ki diameter is the longest chord? If you draw any chord in the circle, you will get to know ki diameter is the longest chord. Okay, इसके ऊपर you cannot draw the chord in a circle. Okay, this is the longest chord. E point is that the boundary length of a circle is called its circumference. As you can see, boundary length of the circle, so this boundary length is known as the circumference of the circle. Next one, a ray has one end point. As I already told you कि ray has a one end point, मतलब one end point is known and other one is unknown. Okay, so as I already given the example also कि sun rays is the example of ray and the torch is also the example of ray. And the next one is line segment has two endpoints. Line segment has two endpoints means both points are known, है ना. Line segment is the known quantity, मतलब हमें पता होता है this is line segment of 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter. Okay, these are the line segment. And the next one is a line has no end point. As I already explained about the line, there is no end point in the line, means both points are unknown in case of line. Next one, a circle has no line segment. Circle has no line segment. If you draw any circle, you will get to know that there is no any line segment while making the circle. Okay. Next one is line segment constitute a polygon. Polygon I have already explained. So if you will make the polygon, so you will get to know that we can make a polygon only the use of line segments. Okay, so line segment constitute a polygon. Next one is sun rays are the example of ray. This I already mentioned before. And the last one is a rectangle has equal diagonals. Rectangle has equal diagonals. So this I will make you understand through the video. Now we will discuss here about the circle. So here we will discuss each point of circles, center, radius, diameter, chord, and last one is circumference. Circumference of the circle. As we already know about this figure, this is your circle. And if we discuss about the center, center is the middle part of the circle. Okay, this one is the center of the circle, and we can denote by O, OAB, whatever you want to write, you can write, right? So this is the circle of a this is the center of a circle, and next one is radius. What is the radius of circle? देखिए, first of all we have to draw one circle, right? This is the center part of the circle, and if we draw from the center to the circumference of the circle, this distance is known as radius of a circle, right? So this is O, and from 0 to here, this one is also your radius, and this one is also your radius. ठीक है, distance from center to the circumference of the circle, this is known as radius of a circle. OP, OR, OA, these are the radius of the circle. Next one is diameter. What is diameter? See, this is your circle. Diameter is the length from one circumference to another circumference, and it must be passed through the center of the circle. This is known as diameter. See, right? So AB is the diameter of a circle, and in other words we can say diameter is the double of radius, right? If the radius of a circle is 2 centimeter, then we can say the diameter of the circle is known is equal to 4 centimeter, right? If it is 2 centimeter, the diameter will be equal to 4 centimeter, right? And the next part is fourth one is chord. What is the chord of the circle? What is chord of the circle? The distance from one circumference to another circumference is known as the chord. Okay, this one is the chord. And what is the difference between chord and diameter? Diameter, the condition is that it must pass through the center of the circle, but uh, in case of chord, we can draw the line on one circumference to another circumference, but it is not mandatory it should pass through the circle only, right? It can be pass, right? In this way we can draw the chord of the circle, right? Now we will talk about the circumference of the circle. What is the circumference? This is the boundary length of the circle is known as the circumference of the circle, right? Boundary length of a circle is known as circumference of the circle. Fine, I hope all the points are clear to all. Our next chapter is perimeter of rectilinear figure. So first of all we should know what is the perimeter. To work out the perimeter of rectilinear shape, add the length of each side together. If you have to find out the perimeter of rectilinear shapes, किसी भी rectilinear figure का, if you have to find the perimeter, then add all the sides, ठीक है, all the sides of the given figure. For example, perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula for finding the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B means length plus breadth. ठीक है, 2 into length plus breadth. And the next one, perimeter of a square. ठीक है, 4 into side. Why 4 into side? Because all the sides are equal in case of square. So in spite of adding sides again and again, we just multiply by 4. Okay, then you will get the perimeter of a square. Okay, perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of a square, and perimeter of triangle. So first of all we should know what are the rectangles, squares, and triangle. Okay, so this is your rectangle. We can give any name, A, B, C, D. Okay, this is your rectangle, and AB must be equal to DC and AB must be equal to BC. Okay, so this figure is known as rectangle. The angle should be 90 degree. In this type of figure is known as rectangle. What is the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B. L is stand for length and B is stand for breadth. Fine. So this is your perimeter of rectangle, right? Up next one is square. P Q R S means all the sides are equal. If this one is 2 centimeter, then this one will also be 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. All the sides are equal in case of a square, right? So formula for perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side because 4 sides are here. Okay, so we will multiply by 4 into the value of side is 2. 4 into 2, we can say the perimeter of this square is equals to 4 into 2 is equals to 8 centimeter, right? And now what is triangle? Triangle in which having 3 sides and vertex, 3 sides and 3 vertex. These are the vertex of the figure. These are the vertex of the figure, corners. Okay, we can say corners of the figure is known as vertex. So P Q R, right? So PQ plus QR plus RP, this is the perimeter of what? Triangle. If the length of this side is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Then we can say 3 into side is the perimeter of the triangle. Okay, in this way we will find out the perimeter of the given figures. Now come to the examples. Find the perimeter of the following figures. We have to find the perimeter of the given figures. First one is rectangle, second one is square, and third one is triangle. Okay, so A, B, C, D. So what is the formula for the perimeter of rectangle? To find the perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2L plus B. L is equals to 8 centimeter and B is equals to 2 centimeter. Now put the value of L and B in the above equation. The perimeter equal to 2 into what is the value of L? 8 centimeter plus what is the value of B? 2 centimeter. Right? So 2 into 8 plus 2 equal to 10. 2 into 10 is equals to 20. 20 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay. Now come to the next question. PQRS. Okay, this is the square. Perimeter of square is equals to, as we already know, 4 into side. 4 into side. 4 into what is the value of side? 5. 5 centimeter. Okay, so this one is equal to 4 into 5. 4 5 is 20 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the square. Okay, in place of multiplying by side we can just add them. Okay, all the sides we can add, so we will find the value of perimeter, like 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 means the summation of all the side is known as perimeter. Okay, so our next question is find the perimeter of the given triangle. All the sides are equal, so what is the formula of perimeter of triangle? Perimeter of triangle equal to 3 into side. It will be applied only when all the sides are equal, right? So 3 into what is the value of side? 7. 3 7s are 21 centimeter. Okay, in this way we can find the value of the given figures. Okay, understood everyone? Now let's take another example. Find the length of a square whose perimeter is. In this type of questions, parameter is given and we have to find the value of length. Okay, so first of all, perimeter of square is equals to 4 into side, right? And what is the perimeter of a square? 28. First one, A part. 28 is equals to 4 into side. So this will 28 is equals to what, we have to find the value of side. Then here 4 is in multiplying. If it is changing its side, then it will become in division. The value of side equal to 4 7s are 28. Side is equals to 7 centimeter. Okay, in this way we can find the value of length if the perimeter is given. Question number 2. Perimeter of square is equals to 12 centimeters already given. Okay, and we have to find the value of length. So first of all we will write the formula. Perimeter of square is equals to 4 into side, and here perimeter is 12 is equals to 4 into side. 4 into the value of side we have to find. Okay, now side is equals to 12 upon 4 is equals to side. 4 3s are 12. The side will become 3 centimeter. In this way we can find the value of side if the perimeter is given. Next example is find the breadth of rectangle whose length is 5 centimeter and perimeter is 30 centimeter. In this question, perimeter is 30 centimeter, length is 5 centimeter, and we have to find the value of breadth. According to the formula, perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B, right? So first of all we will put the values. 30, perimeter of rectangle is 30, 2 into L is 5 centimeter plus B we have to find. Now open this equation, open this bracket. 30 is equals to 30 is equals to 2 into 5 plus 2 into B. 30 is equals to 2 5s are 10 plus 2B. So here 30 is equals to 10 plus 2B. Now we have to find the value of B. So this 10 will become minus because it is plus over here. So 30 minus 10 is equals to 2B. This 10 will become minus when it changes side. It will become 20. 30 minus 10 is equals to 2B, and B is equals to 20 upon 2. This 2 will be multiplied by divided by 20. Then 2 tens are 20. The answer will be 10 centimeter. The breadth of the rectangle is 10 centimeter. Okay, in unitary method, to find the value of 1 when we have the value of many, we divide. What does it mean? Means suppose that to find the value of 1, okay, we have to find the value of 1 and we have the value of many. Then what we will do? Divide. What does it mean? It means that if you are having, suppose that if you are having 4 bags of 40 rupees. Okay, 4 bags means you are having many things and you have to find the value of 1 bag. What will we do? 40 by 4, right? So here we can say the cost of bag is 10 rupees. Okay, in this way we can find the value of when we are having many things and we have to find the value of one thing only, right? Okay, let's take another example. Suppose that if in any team number of members equal to 33 and we have to find the value of number of member in one team. Okay, here 3 teams are there. 3 teams are there. 3 team, number of members in 3 teams. Right, and we have to find the value of number of teams, number of member in one team. What we will do? 33 divided by 3, 11. Then we can say 11 number of members 11 in one team, right? In this way we can find the value of many in this way we can find the value of 1 if we are having number of many things, right? And second point is saying to find the value of many when we have the value of 1 we multiply, just opposite of this. Let's take another example कि इसी एग्जाम्पल को वी कैन कंटिन्यू. वी आर हैविंग बैग विच इज 1 bag whose cost is 80 rupees, right? And we have to find the 5 such bags. ठीक है, cost of 5 such bags. So what we will do? We will cost of 5 such bags equal to 5 into 80. It will equal to 400 rupees. The cost of 5 such bags is 400. In this way we can find the value of many if we are having the value of 1, right? In this way we can solve this chapter, and in this chapter only 2 methods we are using, which is division and multiply, right? So I hope you understood ki how to find the values if we are having one and if we are having many, right? Okay, let's take another example. Cost of 12 pence is 60. Find the cost of 16 pence, right? So we are having cost of 12 pence, which is 60, right? So cost of 12 pence is equals to 60 rupees. So first of all, we should know cost of 1 pen. So cost of 1 pen is equals to what we will do, 60 divided by 12, right? Because we have many and we have to find out the one, right? So we will divide 12 fives are 60, right? So the cost of 1 pen is equals to 5, and we have to find the cost of uh, 16 pen. Cost of 16 pence we have to multiply by 5, 16. 12, 16 fives are 80 rupees. This is your answer. Cost of 60 pen is 80 rupees. In this way, you can find the value of the given question.